Okay, so once you've written your objective and your key results, you want to think about what are you trying to achieve, and this is a way of reviewing your objective and key results to see whether they actually capture what you want them to capture. Firstly, do they actually accurately capture our strategy? If I read these objectives and these key results, does it clarify what we're trying to achieve really in the real changes that we're trying to make in our business? And one of the ways of thinking about this, two of the sort of sub-questions here are the objectives inspiring and memorable? And do the key results represent customer value? If they do, that helps you a great deal, but specifically you want to look at this overall and does it actually represent our strategy? Second question, will these objectives and key results help us to make decisions? And there's two clarifying questions here as well. Is there any unwanted ambiguity? Like, is there too much ambiguity here that means that we could be doing anything and we'd still be succeeding? And secondly, is there sufficient freedom? Have I set this right? This is really about setting that phase 2 at the right level so that we have the right level of abstraction and our people have good problems that they can go and solve. Thirdly, are they realistic? When you look at these objectives and these key results, is it possible that you can actually complete them this quarter? Because if they're completely unrealistic, you'll just lose everybody. And what you're looking at here is, can you deliver this with our actual resources and constraints? And do we have a credible plan? And that plan really depends on not just having written down what you're going to do in some level of detail, but having the dependencies lined up. And we're going to talk about planning in the next session, but this is actually a key part of the OKR review.